Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing the brand new Mission 778S streamer. This is a high-end compact streamer that is designed to somewhat, well no, it is designed to complement the 778X integrated amp. It's the same width, it's the same depth, it's the same colorway. But it's such a good standalone streamer that everyone should consider it in its price as a streamer in its own right, not just to complement the 778. It's got brilliant ESS reference DACs on board. It runs at 384 kilohertz, able to run well beyond any of the distortion that we could ever hear. It's able to deliver some of the most pristine and clean digital to analog conversions. It has the ability to, if you want, turn all that off and run some filters to sort of run things the way you would like it. It's such a feature-rich product. Now, of course, please, when we talk about streaming, right, it'll do Spotify and Tidal and, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, Qbuzz, it's AirPlay 2, of course, as well. So it covers off a gambit of all of the big streaming formats, delivering it a bit perfect to you in your home. It does it really, really well. Now, okay, a streamer. When you have got something that's in the cloud and you're trying to bring it into your home, being able to buffer it and bring it in from a noise-free perspective is extremely important, and they certainly do that well. But then managing that information and ensuring that it's being rendered and scaled appropriately for the product is the magic that Mission deliver with this product. It's got single-ended and balanced outputs, so if you're going into a high-end product, this is for you. It's got a few other key features, but without further ado, let's have a look. Okay. Right, actually no, here, look, there's the link to the matched integrated amp, the 778X. This is in silver to complement the silver amplifier, and you'll hang around, of course, please hang around, we'll take some close-ups of this and with the amplifier so you get a sense of scale and how pretty the two of them look together. Nevertheless, like the 778 and all of the other in its range, the boxes are relatively compact, and they're sealed closed with an additional protective layer of plastic to ensure that it is protected not only from freight labels and other scratches and damages, but also from moisture and rain potentially in the delivery process. Taking that off, it's pretty straightforward, it's simple enough and then you get rid of that plastic. Opening it from here is really, really straightforward. It's sealed closed with that sort of classic paper tape. Now before I take the product out, it's worth mentioning, look, scannable information off on one side, bit of packing information, line drawing, and an emulation of the Mission 778S, and highlighting that it's room ready and all of those things. Okay. Opening the box, the first thing we see is their comprehensive user manual. It's in a Ziploc bag, and there's some information about Roon and perhaps a free trial and things like that in there as well. It's got a big desiccant bag at the front, and then the accessory pack. Now, it's actually got a little product code, a 778SA, whatever that is. I would suggest it's because of the power cord. And unlike many international products, this one actually comes with the New Zealand power cord on board. Okay. It also has a very comprehensive remote control. Now this is the same for the matching Mission CD transport. So if you want to check that one out, there's the link there. The remote control is pretty comprehensive and allows you to relatively quickly navigate through some of the basics. Most of the time though it's going to be play, pause, skip, because you're going to use your smart device to grab the information and use the Tidal Connect or something similar to stream it out. In there at the bottom of the box is also a set of AAA batteries. Now lifting it out is pretty straightforward. Okay, right, get the box, get rid of the closed cell foam that's protected this product. And then there's the final sort of bag is one of those sort of poly paper bags. There's 3 or 4 pieces of sellotape just sort of holding that closed, and between a nick or two and a bit of stretch, it's pretty straightforward to get access. And then sliding it out, because it's an oversized bag, is very, very straightforward. Just put that down for a second. Now, the first thing I want you to get your head around is how beautifully well built this product is. It's excellent. It's not some little welterweight. The chassis work and other detail is exceptional, and you know, the casework, the steel work, all is utterly perfect given its price. Remember, this is competing in a pretty budget territory, yet the fit, finish and quality is superb. Okay, looking at the front, the first thing you're going to see is that it beautifully emulates the look and feel of the matched 778X integrated amp. But again, please, this as a standalone streamer, regardless of its form factor, is excellent. So you don't need to have a 778X to get the most out of this product. Nevertheless, we've got a Mission logo and its model in the opposing corners, and a standby light beneath the centrally located standby button. Off to one side is an infrared sensor for the remote control, and then off the other side, giving it a nice visual match, is a 1/4 inch headphone socket. What you'll be surprised with is how good that headphone socket actually is. It's really well thought out. The reason I start here is because above it is a volume control. And obviously, not being an integrated amplifier, a volume control is unusual, but that is utilised of course for the headphone output. Over here we've got the selection process, and both of these allow you to navigate through the on-screen display to find the tracks information and other things you are after. Tilting it forward, you see that it's got screen printed Mission logo, again emulating brilliantly the look and feel of the matched amplifier, and a significant amount of ventilation to ensure that it runs cool. Again, the depth is identical to the integrated amp, and looking at the back, we have the inputs and outputs that they have left this product so brilliantly appointed. The first thing as I pull it out of the road is the Wi-Fi antenna to give you an alternative network connection. We've got a rocker switch on and off, an IEC power socket and a fuse. We've got the serial number of the model and a few other electrical compliance things, and then beneath it is a USB-C input for streaming high-resolution files off your computer. Beside that is the coaxial and optical digital output to give you an alternative connection to perhaps a very high-end DAC, or to cascade this off to an unrelated product or something like that for another multi-room feature or something similar. Then we've got the heavy lifting part, and this is the analog outputs. The circuit design of this product is fully balanced in its design, and you'll see that with the clearly labelled left and right balanced outputs. Balance of course gives you a slightly lower noise floor and runs a little bit hotter, so it effectively gives you a better operational noise floor, and probably if you've got a balanced connection you should use it. Then we've got RCA or single-ended outputs, and this is the logical way that you will connect it to the matched Mission amplifier. Above this we've got a USB specifically for updating process. Look, I wouldn't be surprised if this will also supply 5 volts to an external device, but don't rely on it. You've got a WPS or wireless connection button, and then beside this we've got 2 USB 3 sockets. These will support external hard drives and pen drives. And then we've got the Ethernet socket, which is gigabit, and our preferred method if you are streaming any music. Right, so to recap, flawless in its operation. It's designed from the ground up to be sonically superior to every other streamer in its price class, and it's brilliant to see that they've done so much to make it sound good. Not just functionally good, but sound good as well. It looks brilliant with the new, with the amplifier, and again, hang around for the photographs. I'll show the two together. There we have it. Mission's brand new streamer, their 778S, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.